All right, on site today, got a little project with the skid steer. We are going to clear out some mud in some horse paddocks down below, so stay tuned. All right guys, so here we are down in the bottom. If you remember, I did a video on putting these crusher run pads in in the springtime, I think it was, and we did one over there. Did 3 jobs in one day, that the title's called, so go down and check that out. I'll put a link in the description. So basically we're going to scrape all this mud and poop and whatever else is in here, overburden. This was all trees. She had it stump grinded, which, you know, I don't think worked too well. I mean, obviously it worked, but there's still roots and stumps in the ground, so we're going to see how far we could get before we may have to get in at my mini excavator, the 88, to rip out a couple stumps. But the goal today is to get all this off, get it shaped somewhat so all the water goes off this way, the way it does down there. This part doesn't, and it floods out and holds water, makes a mess. So we'll get everything graded off and put it over there to use that as a compost pile. load a crusher run on. We decided to go with crusher run instead of sand, just because it's going to be a better base, and if they ever want to top it with sand at some point they can, but we just want to clean up that mud and get the water pitching away. All right, boys, let's see how we did here. See if the horsey's approved what we got. A little crusher on tune up for him so the hoovies don't get all mucky. 3 loads of crusher. Come here, Dokie. Come here. And this one is
Dixon.
This one's Dixon and this one's Dookie. Look at the size of Dookie. Come here, Duke. Come here. Come here. Do you like your new pad?
Okay.
There he is. Tell everybody you like it. Shake your head. Come on. All right. Let's see what we got. Oh, sorry, buddy. Sorry, buddy. All right. So, just a quick tune-up on the mud. You guys seen all the mud that was in here. This crusher arm will bind up and give them a good base, and then if they want to top this with some sand afterwards, they can. And that'll be a little easier to clean up the mess the horses make. You just run a drag block. There they are, happy as can be, because their feet are clean. So that was the whole goal on this project, was just to get the mud clean feet is the goal. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap this up. Everybody have a great Thanksgiving, and I will catch you on the flip side.